Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I can't believe it, but happy new year. It is almost the new year, probably very close by the time that this comes out, and so I just wanted to do a little New Year's try on haul for you guys. The idea was to kind of just create outfits that were easily accessible, so a lot of these just can be found in the stores or things like this, or you know, you might even have some of these items in your closet that are similar. So I just wanted to create this video to give you guys just some little ideas for your New Year's Eve or your New Year's outfits, whatever you're choosing to do. There's just like a little variety in here, and so we're just trying on some fun dresses. This could even be used for like a night out or something like that, because some of these are a little more night out-esque than the others, and so some of these things can just be found in your closet. If you already have a dress, you can kind of create a combination. So I just wanted to give you guys some ideas, so if you have any last minute plans and you think, oh, I need a dress, you could probably go pick them up. And so yeah, so I'm gonna do something a little different this time. We're actually just gonna talk while I am wearing the outfit instead of having it side by side, because I normally do that, but I just wanted to be able to talk to you guys as I try things on. And so yeah, let's go. Okay, so my first outfit, my dress is actually from Lulus. I love Lulus. I've always been a big fan of them. It's this gold sparkly kind of spaghetti strap bodycon dress, and it's super comfortable, which is weird. It's double lined. It's very good quality. Everything in this video is gonna be under $100 because college students, or you know, you're saving for something, whatever it is, I want to just provide affordable options in this video. And so yeah, the first dress is from Lulus. It's this nice like gold sparkly, almost rose gold dress, and then I just paired it with a pair of nude heels from Target, and they're your basic block-ish heel, but they're a little taller than normal, so I really like them. So I'll show you. So this is what the dress looks like. I actually love this dress so much. It brings back good memories. I've had it for about 2 years, and it's very comfortable. It's a bodycon dress, and it hugs your body well and tight, but it also doesn't suck you in too much to where you're uncomfortable and you can't move or you can't dance. This is the back. And yeah, I've always loved this. I don't know if you can see the shoes, but they're that nude shoe. It's a super cute, easy option for number one. I just put my hair half up, half down. It's simple. The back, sometimes you have to tie it, so sometimes I get a little confused, but that's okay, especially if you have someone to help you. That's great. But it has a zip and a tie, and it's easy to get into, easy to get out of. So we've all experienced wardrobe malfunctions where you just can't figure out like what you're putting on. I don't know why clothes are like that, but it just happens. Anyways, outfit number one. So yes, outfit number one. Okay, so the next dress I have for you guys is from Forever 21, RIP, and I actually love it so much. It's one of those dresses that you get at an affordable price that you know you just like scored on, like you just made a really good purchase, and it wasn't expensive but also wasn't cheap. And so I've had this dress for several years, but you can find a dress like it almost anywhere. It's this nice just black velvet. I don't know if you could see it very well, but it's velvet. It's so soft. It's very cute. It's another bodycon, but it has these really discreet panels going down the front and then on the back, kind of on the back sides. So dress number two, and I kept the same nude pair of heels on with it. So this is the dress, and I actually love this dress for like date nights or just going out to dinner. It's a good alternative to wear, you know, it kind of looks like a party dress. You know, you could go out in it, but you could also grab dinner in it as well. So I love it. It's so soft. It's also a bodycon dress that is very comfortable, and it's stretchy. It's a good material. It's not going to ride up. It is from Forever 21, so I think at the time I paid, oh my gosh, at the time I think I paid like $23 max for it, but it's super cute, and I also really like to throw a trench coat on. So hold on. Now, forgive me because my trench coat is a little wrinkly, but it's great under trench coats or pea coats or whatever you choose. I have a blush pink trench coat that I absolutely love with this. This goes very well also. It's a very sophisticated dress, yet very reasonably priced, and it goes well with anything really. So dress number two, And I think that it's a great middle ground to where, like I said, you could go out to dinner in it, you could go to a party, you could really do whatever you want, and you could still be comfortable, which I love. And so it's very versatile. And so again, you can keep it and use it again for other occasions, which is really nice, because sometimes, like that gold dress, you know, you can only wear it on certain days of the year. I mean, you don't have to, but I might go to Target in it, but you know, whatever. Anyways, so you could really wear this whenever you wanted, you know, a night out, a date night, like I said, a party. You can use it for a lot of things. So a very good suggestion. Getting kind of just a simple black, you know, your little black dress. It's a thing for a reason, guys. And so I'm just still astonished by it. Okay. Okay, so next I have another dress from Forever 21. It's kind of this, I don't know if like mock would be the right word, but this like slouchy, like delicate, flowy dress. It doesn't really have a lot of shape to it, yet it shapes you nicely. And I have like a harder time finding dresses that don't have a lot of shape that look okay on me, just because I do have, yeah. And so I don't really know how to always like go about that, and so sometimes it just kind of like pulls a dress out really far and makes you look a little bit bigger than you are, which is fine, but sometimes it's just nice to have some shape and to like complement your body nicely, because you know that's what you have. So this is the dress. It kind of has this like, I don't know if you can see this like silvery lining throughout it, and it's really cute. This is the back, and then get light. And so my shoes are also from Lulu. So Lulus. My family calls me Lulu. They're from Lulus. So here's the dress. Very flowy, very delicate. It's fun. Again, like I love looking like cute and fun or whatever, but if I'm not comfortable, then I'm not going to be in a good mood. And I know when I'm not in a good mood, it's just rough for everyone. So this is the dress. Super flowy. Here's the back. I really like the back. I love that little detailing. You can kind of have it off on one shoulder. I don't know, it's just super cute and fun. I really like it. This style is actually very, very popular. It's very party-esque, yet casual and comfortable. So again, it's a great versatile dress that you can use for a lot of different places. So cute. Look at the back. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes. So dress number 3, Forever 21, and then Lulus for the shoes. Let me tell you guys, putting on shoes, it's no easy joke. I'm like actually out of breath. The next dress that I have on is actually from Windsor, which I have never purchased a dress from them before. No particular reason, just haven't really run into the store. And so I was on the hunt for a dress one day, and my roommate and I stumbled across some dresses. And so this is a cute little red dress. It's definitely very holiday and festive. It's kind of a satiny material. It's got panels again, kind of like the black dress, and it is a bodycon. This one's a little tighter. If you're looking for something that's gonna like suck you in, this is probably a good one. I just pair it with any nude shoe, honestly, or any like black strappy heel. So super easy, simple. Because it's just one solid color, it makes it so much easier. But I love the red color that it is. I don't know if you can see that, but let me show you. So this is the back. It's super cute, just this nice satiny material, very holiday. It does, however, accentuate all the cookies I've eaten, but that's okay. That's life. It's the way it is. Yeah, it's definitely tighter. I'm trying to like get a good angle so you guys can see it well. I don't know if the light's reflecting it very well, but this is it. Yeah, this is the dress. Any nude shoe, any black shoe will go great with this. I think it's super cute. It's a lot more like elegant, party-esque, yet you can still dress it down if you wanted to with like a denim jacket, almost like a really like a dark denim jacket. Ooh, that'd be cute. You can also dress it up if you wanted to. Dress number 4. I'm taking your word for it, guys. Come on. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I have this dress, and it's one of my favorite dresses. And it was not until this moment that I realized it was see-through. but the idea of it is just a beautiful long sleeve black dress that hugs your body tight and well. This is the back. I can show you the back. It's just the front that is a little questionable. Little black dresses are great to have for date nights. They're very versatile. They're very elegant, but I definitely suggest doing a good test in some light. I've worn this a few times and I'm a little concerned now, and that's okay. Yeah, yep. We'll see what happens to this dress, but the whole idea of it is just a black long sleeve dress, which will be very available to you kind of wherever. Like if you're in a mall or something, you should be able to find one pretty easily. So I do suggest that very much so. Make sure it's not see-through. So dress number 5. Was it 5? Was it 5? Come on, guys. Anyone? Okay, you guys. This is one of my favorite dresses. Look how sparkly it is. Look how cute it is. Look how fun it is. You guys, like, that's just so cute. Okay, this is from Shein, and so it's this sparkly wrap dress. Actually, it comes with its own little belt, and so it's got these awesome sleeves that kind of like scrunch at the end on both sides, obviously, and they're flowy. But this, I don't know, this dress, it's a wrap dress and it's flowy, but it also has so much shape to it. I'm scared now that everything's gonna be see-through. It's okay if it is. I love this too much. Guys, I have to show you. It's so cute. And it was, oh my gosh, I don't remember how much it was. It was so reasonably priced. It's so cute. I feel very like hostess with the mostess, you know what I mean? You'll see what I mean. It's nice too because you can adjust this however you'd like. You can make it a lot higher if you wanted to, or you can make it lower, kind of adjust to, the setting you're in or what your style and preferences are. So I will show you the dress. I'm so excited. So it's this great wrap dress. It wraps right here, and then it ties on the side right here, and so it is just so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know if I'd wear the shoe with it necessarily. It looks good. I think nude shoes would look good with this, but I would probably try to find like a silicone, like shiny black pump to go with it. It's just very, very fun. I love this dress. I think I love it because it's so comfortable, you know? When you find something that's really cute and it looks nice on you, and then it's comfortable also, and you're just like, wow, like I found the code to life. I packed it. So fun. Okay, so this is the dress. It makes up for the other one being see-through because I'm kind of recovering from that, I'm not gonna lie. But yes, it's so fun. Okay, on to the next. This is my next dress. I love this dress. I call it my potato sack dress because sometimes at certain angles it can look like you're wearing a potato sack, but hear me out. Not always in a bad way. It's just very comfortable and it has shape, but it also doesn't have shape in the middle, so it gives you some options. So I want to show you what it looks like first. So it's an off-the-shoulder dress. You can even bring it up and have it slouched on like one side if you would want that. You don't have to do anything anyway. Or you could just keep it like this. So this is what it looks like. I feel like you guys can kind of see what I mean when I say there's not like a lot of shape in the middle, but what you can do is you can do something really cool. You can take a belt, you can wrap it around. I created my own hole in this belt because they didn't have any fit, so it's still a little loose, but you could do a belt situation, add some like black heels to it, or whatever you want to try is I have this little clutch, and it's actually a fanny pack. Now I know, if you know me, you know I swore those off when I was 4, but it's never too late to try something new, am I right? As I'm doing this, I really like this dress because it's very casual, so this is kind of like my casual option for you guys. If you wanted one, you don't have to. You could go all out. I know you don't get to go all out very often. But it's super casual and it's fun, and I love wearing this with like sneakers. I know a lot of people might be like, oh my gosh, why would you do that? But I think it's so cute with sneakers. So this is what the fanny pack looks like with it. I would actually make it tighter if I could, but there aren't any more holes in the loops, so I'd have to get them put in or just take a little like screwdriver like I do to my other ones. You could also do something like this if you're into it. Like it because you can also wear like your backpack with it for school, which is nice because I am a student, so sometimes I do need practical clothes, even though I refuse. So it's actually my last dress, you guys. I had a few more, but I wasn't feeling really good about them. You know, like that one was see-through. And I had another one that was super cute, but it was also see-through. It's definitely meant to be worn, you know, at night, not under like a lot of direct light, which I have the ring light on me, so it's very direct. I'm sure you can see all of my amazing Mount Everest's. Well, you guys, I just created this because I thought it'd be fun, just super simple outfit ideas, because you can get these dresses, you know, in store or online, but you can also find one similar to them and create your own outfit and your own look and your own style based off of it. So for me, I just get a lot of inspiration from watching other people, and I can put my own twist on it. So I do love doing that, and so I hope I can kind of provide you guys with the same. But I don't know, guys, like, I can't believe it's almost 2020. I just kicked something. You know, when the new year comes, we kind of all say the same thing, but we say it because it's true. And yeah, just time flies. And so I just want to take a moment to say that I know that the holidays aren't always a super happy time for everyone. And I just wanted to just kind of like pour my heart out a little bit to you guys and tell you that I know people are facing a lot of difficult things, and I know that even if it is a super happy time for you, that there might also be some rough things going on at the same time. And I just want to let you guys know that you are just incredibly loved, and you are so worthy of being loved. And who you guys are just individually are incredible, incredible people. And there's a verse I wanted to read to you guys really quick. Hold on. So I just, you know, again, I want to say that I recognize that we all kind of are facing our own battles, and whether yours are really, really big at the moment or they're kind of slowing down, I just want to encourage you guys to like keep going, because there's just so much good to come for you, whether it happened in the last year or it's going to happen this next year. And so I just wanted to read Philippians 1:6. I heard it earlier today and it just kind of resonated with me. And it says, I am sure of this, that he who began a good work in you will bring it to completion at the day of Jesus Christ. And so I want to encourage you guys that, you know, the Lord does finish the work that he starts in you. And, you know, whether you're a Christian or not, like, just know that what you're doing, what you're striving for, it's very reachable. And you are created for greatness, and that, you know, maybe we're not seeing results at this time. And it's really hard to say this because I know I get caught up in it so much, and we can all get caught up in just wanting something so close and just have instant gratification. But even though it's not coming yet, that, I don't know, I just want to encourage you guys to keep going and keep trying, because there's so much good, and the fruits of your labor, or, you know, all the hard work that you've put in, it will be seen and it will be recognized. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of just end on like a little bit of an encouraging or happy-ish note. But yes, anyways, whether you guys are out having a wonderful wild New Year's, or you're staying at home with your family, I just, you know, have a great time, you guys. Please be safe and all that you do, and just know that you are incredibly beautiful, you are wonderful, and you guys have a wonderful New Year's. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.